Let me show you how to install your free open source WordPress directory theme here on this video. It's called Chipmunk Theme and you can grab it right now. Jump over to the link in the description and jump over to Chipmunk Theme. Now you can grab this for free. There's no payment. There is no pricing at all. This is open source to have a free directory system. Now when you click on download, it's going to take you to their GitHub repository. What you need to download is this right here, the source code zip. Now be aware that currently it's in version 2.0 and just grab the latest one with the zip file, okay? Once you have that, jump over to your WordPress website and install the theme. Now the first thing that I want to show you is the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan to host the Chipmunk directory theme, let me show you how to grab a really affordable plan right here. Now they have 3 available plans in the WordPress plan, but my recommendation is the Business Plus AI and the Cloud Startup Plus AI plan. Why? Because it already includes AI. Plus, it's going to be super affordable with the coupon I'm going to show you how to apply. Now, right now with the business plan, which is the most popular plan, you can install up to 50 websites. You get 5 managed nodes, JS websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, which is super fast, and 5 mailboxes per website that you install. The first year is free. Now let's go ahead and choose this plan to show you how to apply the coupon code. Now, once you are here, Hostinger is going to ask you how many months do you want to pay in advance. I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 4 years. Now, to add my coupon code, click on Have a Code and type in my code or paste it in and apply it. And the price is going to drop to $129.17. And that's for 4 years paid off. So trust me, that's affordable. Okay, so back to Chipmunk Theme. I installed the plugin in the theme section and I'm ready to install the child theme. So let's get started. You can go ahead and skip this part, but I do recommend that you get started with a child theme. That way you don't mess up the main theme, okay? Now, first thing we need to do is import the content. If you set the advanced options, you can set if you want to import the content, the options, and the after import. In this case, yes. So let's kick off the import. It should be quick since this is a demo site. Okay, our import is now done. Let's go ahead and view our website. See what we just got, and it should be our directory website from Chipmunk. Then we're gonna jump into the backend to show you a few things. Okay, the website is now ready and we have featured, latest, and most popular directory right here. So in this case, for example, let's see the GoPro Karma. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how we're able to preview this. You have options to like, you have the category for drone, when it was published, and a few details right here. So it's a quick directory to launch on your WordPress website. Now we've just launched this from zero, so it's pretty much really easy to do this. And on the left, we have a brand new menu here on WordPress website. So let's go into Chipmunk here, and we're gonna jump into the actual settings. So here we go. We have our first Chipmunk options right here, which is the faker. That means that you can fake boats. For example, I can say the range is gonna be from 40 to 150. That means that it's gonna fake each one of these posts to be in that range to simulate that it has a few upvotes already. And you could also do this for views. For example, I can start off from 10,000 and go all the way up to 100,000. Just to give you an idea, you can go ahead and generate these and it'll add these randomly to each one of these. So they're not going to be the same. It's just going to be in this range right here. Then you got your Chipmunk add-ons. So in add-ons, you can add the star ratings. So you want to enable this and the members add-on. Let's go ahead and save this to enable these two. Here we go. Now we have the members options and then we have the page options right here. So login is tied to the login page, register page to the register page. Now these are created already. And if the page is changed, just go ahead and update it with the new page name right here and you'll be good to go. Go ahead and save the changes and you'll be good to go. Now that's for the few settings that you get here in Chipmunk. Then we get the actual post, which is going to be over here in the resources. Let's view our demo resources right here. For example, let's edit this coffee mug right here, and we're going to be able to edit this resource that's in the directory website. Now we got our title, description, just like you would normally. You can use Gutenberg for this, which is really much straightforward. Just go ahead and add your blocks right here and you'll be good to go. And on the right, we have the details like the main image. We have our collections, the tags that this is tied to. Go ahead and select it here. If you need to add more tags or new collections, just go ahead and create them right here. Then you got on the bottom the resources. Do you want featured on homepage or not? The links, go ahead and add them right here. Right now it's set to a affiliate link to Amazon. You can go ahead and add your links right here. Go ahead and remove this one because it won't be your affiliate link. This one is the one that they add by default. The websites and the submitter. So that is for the collections right here. So it's super easy to create these. Now let's go ahead and back over here. If you need to create a brand new resource, just go ahead and create it right here. Then you got your collections, which is like the categories per se. If you don't create it, when you create a resource, just go ahead and create it straight from here. And that same thing applies for the tags. You can straight off create all the tags and just go ahead and use them when you create a brand new resource, which is really practical. So if you want a simple directory website that's free and open source, this could be a great option. It's called Chipmunk Themes, link provided in the description, and you don't have to make a single payment for this. So right now, go ahead and test it out. And if you need to go ahead and check out the login page, that's also created automatically here with Chipmunk. Just go ahead and jump into the page. For example, the dashboard. Here we go. I can view my upvoted, my bookmarked, and my submitted, which I should have all my submitted posts. Here they are. Here's my resources for the collection, and I can go ahead and submit a brand new one right here using the resource name, the collection category, the website description, and the name and my email. And it's super easy to submit new ones. Why? Because this is a directory system that you can start using right away. So if you need something practical, go ahead and use Chipmunk Theme. And that's a wrap.